Let's look at some more of the beginner openers Rebids, available on the No Fear Bridge demonstration page. I'm an affiliate for No Fear Bridge. I don't work for them, and I'm not a bridge teacher, so I won't be explaining my choices to you. In this hand, South has opened with 1 diamond, North has responded with 1 heart. South has 16 points. What do you think we should bid? The correct answer is 1 no trump, and the annotation reminds us that we have a balanced hand with 15 to 16 points. Here, South has opened with 1 club. North has responded with 1 heart. South has 15 points. What should we bid? As with the previous hand, I've chosen 1 no trump. The annotation reminds us that we show a balanced hand with 15 to 16 points. Here, South has opened with 1 club, and North has responded with 1 diamond. South has 14 points. What should they rebid? I've chosen 1 heart, and the annotation reminds us that we can show our second suit at the 1 level. This tells partner that we have at least 5 clubs and 4 hearts, or perhaps a 4-4-1 hand. Let's do 1 more hand. In this hand, South has opened with 1 spade. North has responded with 2 clubs. South has 15 points. Pause the video while you decide what you will bid. I've chosen 2 no trumps, and the annotation tells us that with a balanced hand and 15 to 16 points, we can rebid 2 no trumps after a change of suit at the 2 level. If you'd like to join No Fear Bridge, tap on one of the links in the description box underneath this video, or if you're viewing this video on one of my websites, just tap on one of the links further down the site.